There we go. Okay. Turned you on a bit late because I got twisted. Okay, so once again, this is it's May. What is it? May 31, Memorial Day. It's raining outside, so it's dark out. It's late in the evening, and we got this big long box here, which is pretty big, pretty heavy for what it is. It's not. It's got, you know, looks like, well, you can't see in the light like that, but see that there? It's a long box. I took the packing slip out, but anyway, so it's got a little something to it, but anyway, so without further ado, I'm going to figure out how to open it, and then try and play it. I don't even know where the opening is on this. I guess it's here. It feels like it's there, so alright. The only reason why I got this particular model is because of the grills, okay? It's a 8D battery model. It's got all its parts. It's, what else? It's got all its parts, and it's just got a kind of a wide grill look to it, and that's all I know. The grill is wide around the woofers, and that's its only claim to fame. It takes 8D batteries. I think it's got woofers and tweeters, and looks like a sharp. And it's all Japanese characters once I get inside this box. Okay. And it just caught my eye as being an interesting looking model. Simply because it's a small model and all that. And there's another one on sale on buyi.jp.com. That's where this one came from. See the Chinese whatever. Oh look, Chinese newspaper. Definitely from, what do we got here? I can't read that. Can you read that? That's Chinese newspaper, let me tell you. This is a big thing, bigger than I thought. It's got all newspaper all around it. It's got bubble wrap on top of that. It's pretty big. It's actually bigger than I thought. Oh wow! This is big. I thought it was small. Holy mackerel. Is this what I got? Well, that's okay. The other reason why I got it is because the grills are exposed. Oh, it's got a power cord on the end. Well, that's nice. Like I need to. Okay, that's there. So here's the power cord. Yeah, I got it because the grills are exposed. They're an open grill, unlike the grills on some other radios that have just a like a waffle grill look. But the thing is, it's hard plastic, and so it's hard for the sound to come through. Whereas this one here, you can actually see the woofers. I'm thinking of a Sharp GF-85 that has the funky looking grills, whatever. But okay, so there we go. Just pull off that end. Voila, there it is. Yes. I thought this had like 4-inch woofers to it or something. But no, this thing has got, and this is like a gold tone. It's definitely not silver, it's definitely a gold tone. I wish I could show you this in better light, but wow. Okay, so this got, so we got FM, I don't know, 3 things of FM. And then the dial pointer goes to 108. Got your APS, that was the other thing that caught my eye. It's got the automatic program search system, that's for the cassette. It's a Sharp, and it's got, that'll be your function switch. This will be, I don't know what that is. That's probably the mic mixing switch turning on and off. This will be the, since it's momentary, and it's got, oh, it's got dual antennas. So they're, yeah, and they're you know, dirty, but or crusted with something, but they're there. Dual antennas. Yeah, so look at that. One screw is already just coming out of there. One screw is already coming out. I don't know if you can see that, but there's one screw already falling out. Evidently someone, okay. So let's see here. So it takes AC input. It doesn't have a, okay, so it's 100, it's, well, let's see here. Where did it say it? DC 12 volt, 100 volts. Okay, so 100 volts. And then here's the, oh, it's got batteries in here. Oh, wow. This has got some, oh my gosh. It's got some National NEC high-top batteries, which are thoroughly rusted. Here's another, here's a Mitsubishi Super Vital battery, very rusted. Okay. I didn't know Mitsubishi made batteries, but there we are. Let's see here. Well, let's just dump them out in your lap. Well, that's not going to work. Okay, there's one, and there's another. Well, there they go. So that's really rusted. Let's see. So you got Mitsubishi, got that, you got this, that. Now, these are plain batteries. These are not alkalines. These are just regular carbon zinc batteries that are in here. They evidently didn't read the requirements for so those are rusted in here, the battery connections, but all right, that's fine. I'll deal with that later. Meanwhile, put the battery cover, okay, let's do it right. Let's put the little thing back in. If you can see that. Well, you can't see me doing anything, can you? In this, there. Okay. You only see me when I have it up on the table. Alright, so here it is. Ah, yeah. So, this is, alright, so now let's get a power cord. We just had it plugged in for something else. Let's just jam it in here and see what happens. We got tunes. We got push.
Ford disappeared in one day.
So
that's driven Rogers as he's built his business, one of the largest black-owned financial firms in the country. David Gura, NPR News.
And we should. He is one of NPR's financial supporters. You are listening to All Things Considered from NPR News.
The time is 5:18. This is KERA 90.1. I'm Justin Martin. A flash flood watch is in effect for North Texas until tomorrow morning. Otherwise, you can expect...
Okay, so that's the volume, that's the balance. This must be the tone.
Tomorrow, there's a 70% chance for storms with a high near 82. Yeah. The new season of the NPR podcast Rough Translation focuses on the growing divide between civilians and military.
Volume, balance, and tone, because this changes the channel to this speaker, and then all the way over here it changes this speaker. All right. What is this? That must be line in. That's off. Okay, so there's that. So flip it here to tape. Let's see if we eject. That's pause. That's eject. And that's, well, it's got a tape that's eaten in here. The capstan is rolling, but there is a remnants of an eaten tape in here. So let's see, if we hit pause, let's see here. Hit pause. Well, okay. Well, so this has got the little bit of eaten tape in here. I don't know if you can see that, but here it is right here, and they just ripped the tape out, left it in there. Let's see here. So, okay, so let's pause. This is, don't know. Oh my gosh. The fast forward winds because the APSS lit up here. You see that? Yeah. So hits, wait, no. Okay, that's stop. That's eject. That's stop. This is play. Okay, so the alright, so the cab stand is turning, but it's not touching the roller, so that roller's not turning because you have the pause on. And the tire is rolling. Okay, do I dare put a tape in here real quick? Wait, no. Keep hitting the wrong button because this thing is backwards. Alright, so that's play, that's stop. Alright, let me throw this in just super quick, fast like. There we go. It's in. Remember, this is play and that's stop. So, oh, okay. Started to mess up the tape already. Ha! I'm not doing that. Alright, with this tape. Oh, let me see here. Here's a Chinese tape. Throw the Chinese tape in and see what happens. Okay, so we got music, but it's eating the tape. Alright, well, yeah, so this needs to be taken apart, cleaned, but it works almost fully, which is unbelievable. Let's see here. Okay, so it ate that tape. Yep. Let me try a different tape here with, this is Fantasy. I don't want to ruin this tape, but let's see if we can get Fantasy to play real quick. Hit play. Yeah, it works, but it's going to eat the tape. Okay, so I'm stoked about this, to use a British word that some people use. Okay, so this works. It's got, doesn't have parallel, it has a, see, a triple indicator. It doesn't have a power level indicator, but it does have supposedly woofer and tweeter. It's a searcher, so it's got the automatic program music search thing. It's got line in. It's got dual antennas. It's rusted and crusted, but it's a big puppy. We got a measuring tape out here just to show you all just how big this puppy is. This has got, well, I guess 6 1/4 inch or thereabouts woofers. I mean, if you go from the edge of the thing to that, it's 5 3/4 roughly. So that's a pretty big thing there. The other thing I go by is the size of a cassette. So here's 4 inches by 3 inches. It's definitely big. So that's bigger than I thought it was. So I have something here to play with, but I like it because it has the open grill. You can see the speakers even in the dark here. Where is the, well, here's a different one. Let's see here, how do you turn this one on? Oops. Right. Oh, you can't do that with this. You have to play with the ratchet. Okay, so it looks like that there. Don't know how to see the, okay, so the tweeter is right here. It should be, yeah, it's right there. Okay. I know you can't see it with the others. Tweeter there. Okay. Looks like that. Something to play with later. Alright. Well, I've had too much fun. Hope you enjoyed. Let's see, I'll take this thing off the camera thing and pop it up here and just, yeah, it's dark outside. It's anyway like that. But here it is. It's like I said, it's got, if you know the characters, great. I don't, but that's volume, balance, and tone, and then tape off, radio, and then line in. That's your editor. I know that already. And you can tell with these right here, that's going to be play, this is going to be fast forward, rewind, that's your pause, that's your play, that's stop, and this is, well, that's whatever that does. This is record. Okay. Here's your mic mixing, I guess a switch for that and a volume for that, and I don't know why this has, see, I don't know why this has AM, FM, FM, and FM again. Okay, so there's that. It's got dual antennas with that SNC's in place, and that one it should work. Let's see, wait. There we go. Yay. Alright, so it looks like that. It plays. It definitely needs to be serviced and cleaned and undone and all that stuff. Let's see here. I'm just lowering it to the floor gently. There we go. So it works on 100 and whatever this is. Looks like that's got that there. This must be external speakers. There's no, well, it says, okay, so it's 48 ohms. So these are external speakers. That's your headphone jack, full size. Probably your beat cut. Nobody ever uses. DC 12 volt. Okay. And then we got back here. Here's your, microphones nobody's going to ever use. Line in, line out. Figure out which that one is. There's the the label and the warning. Like, I'm going to read that. Okay, and then it's got, this is nice. It's got a terminals for extending your frequency modulation. Okay, and over here it's just got a tuning knob and nothing else. And okay, and then what we got on the bottom? We got nothing on the bottom. All right, 17 minutes. I've had too much fun here. But I bought these because these have, even though it's fake, they got this, great big flat trim ring around here. But most of all, what I was after is it's got the, the grill and then you can see the woofer, which means that if you can see the speaker, then that means the sound is going to come at you a whole lot better than having a waffle grill over, like my hand is over this grill, and the sound is harder to come through. Alright, so this will probably sound better. While I got this camera, well, I have to sign off to the other one. Let me just sign off. I got Facebook going on the back of me, so I'll just set this one here. But I want to, you know what? I'll just leave the Facebook there, and I'll run into this other room here, because I can do that with this one. Okay, so it's dark, run. Because I want to get this sharp. Where is the sharp? That's not a sharp. Okay. I wanted to get this one. Yeah. So here's, I can get this out of here. Great. Okay. That's not a sharp. Alright, so coming back. I'm coming back, people. Coming back. Here I am. Okay. I actually have another one of these sharps, but this is the one I wanted to just bring this out and move that up there. And so here's a sharp GF-8585, and this is similar to that, and same height and same everything, same basic controls, just this one's got shortwave, that one does not. Alright, well, I've had fun. Good day, bye bye. Thanks for watching. Good day, bye bye.